Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best GoPro is probably one of the most sought-after action cameras on the market, and for good reason, offering unparalleled durability and incredible video quality for capturing all your adventures. Whether you're a seasoned thrill seeker or just starting out, finding the right GoPro can elevate your content creation game, but with various models and features, it can be a daunting task to pinpoint the perfect one that fits your needs and budget without breaking the bank. Number 5. AKASO EK7000 4K Action Camera. Capture your adventures in breathtaking 4K Ultra HD. This camera records professional quality video and takes incredibly detailed photos, offering 4 times the resolution of traditional HD. Never miss a moment with built-in electronic image stabilization. It ensures your videos are steady and smooth, even when you or your subject are on the move. This camera is built to withstand extreme conditions and comes with a durable waterproof case. It's ready for any adventure, both in and out of the water. Easily capture your world with the included 2.4G wrist remote. Control the camera, frame your shots, and record video conveniently, all from your wrist. Connect to our app on your phone or tablet via Wi-Fi. Edit and share your action-packed videos and photos in minutes, with a signal range of up to 10 meters. What we like. If you're looking for a budget-friendly action camera that still delivers great quality, this is it. It shoots in 4K and has electronic image stabilization for smooth footage, even when things get bumpy. Plus, it comes with a waterproof case, making it perfect for beach trips or water sports without breaking the bank. What people say. The GoPro Hero 9 Black features a new, larger rear touchscreen and an improved front display for easier framing and control. It offers 5K video recording at 30 frames per second, providing incredibly detailed and vibrant footage. The Hyper-Smooth 3.0 stabilization technology ensures incredibly smooth video, even in high-action situations. Number 4. TELESIN Triple Charger Case for GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9. This versatile accessory works as both a protective storage case and a charger. It can simultaneously charge up to 3 batteries, keeping them safe from dust and debris when not in use. Its small, lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your bag. You can charge it conveniently using your laptop, car adapter, or power bank thanks to its Type-C port. Keep your action camera running longer with these high-capacity replacement batteries. You can record every moment without interruption, and all 3 batteries can be fully charged in about 2.5 hours. Designed with safety in mind, it offers protection against overcharging, short circuits, and other potential hazards. The indicator lights clearly show when your batteries are charging or fully charged. These batteries are built to the same specifications as the original, offering maximum capacity without false advertising. You can trust them to perform reliably. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day refund policy and a 12-month warranty. We also offer 24-hour email support for any questions you may have. What we like. For those who hate running out of power mid-adventure, this is your solution. It charges 3 batteries simultaneously and is super portable. If you're planning a long day of shooting or a trip where charging opportunities are scarce, this accessory will keep your GoPro running. What people say. The GoPro Hero 10 Black has a new front screen that is great for vlogging and selfies. The image stabilization is excellent, making footage smooth even when moving. It shoots in 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second, which is incredibly sharp and detailed. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. Introducing the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the ultimate action camera for capturing your most thrilling moments. Its rugged design and advanced features make it perfect for any adventure. Shoot breathtaking video in up to 5K resolution, preserving incredible detail even when you zoom. Its powerful new sensor delivers lifelike sharpness and fluid motion. Capture crisp, professional quality photos with 20MP clarity. With Super Photo, it automatically optimizes image processing, making it effortless to get the perfect shot every time. Easily frame your shots and control your camera with the new, larger rear touchscreen and a dazzling front display. It offers intuitive operation for seamless shooting. Enjoy up to 30% longer battery life with the improved 1720 mAh battery. This means you can shoot more and stay powered through any conditions without frequent battery changes. Experience unparalleled smoothness with our most advanced video stabilization yet. It provides in-camera horizon leveling and enhanced stability in all settings for professional-looking footage. What we like. This is the ultimate tool for creators who demand the best quality. With its stunning 5K video, dual screens for easy framing, and industry-leading stabilization, it's perfect for professional-looking content. If you want to capture every detail and ensure your footage is incredibly smooth, this is the one. What people say. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a versatile action camera with excellent image stabilization. It captures stunning 5.3K video and 27MP photos, offering great detail and clarity. The camera features a larger sensor for improved low-light performance and a wider field of view. Number 2. TELESIN Universal Underwater Phone Case. Capture stunning underwater photos and videos with this universal waterproof phone case. It's designed for snorkeling and diving, allowing you to bring your phone on any aquatic adventure. This case fits most smartphones, including a wide range of iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models. Its adjustable design ensures a snug fit for phones with screens from 5.4 to 6.9 inches. Easily take photos and videos underwater with the integrated Bluetooth shooting control. 5 mechanical buttons allow for intuitive operation of your phone's camera functions. Crafted with a premium glass lens for clear, vibrant shots, this case offers 97% visible light transmittance. The integrated vacuum pump removes air for a true seal, preventing fogging and ensuring crystal clear images. Designed with a non-slip grip inspired by professional cameras, it provides secure handling underwater. Always use the included wrist strap for added safety during your dives. After use in saltwater, simply rinse the case with fresh water and dry it thoroughly. This simple step ensures its longevity and reliable performance for future underwater explorations. What we like. If you love capturing memories underwater but don't want to invest in a dedicated action camera, this is for you. It turns your smartphone into a powerful underwater camera, allowing you to shoot photos and videos with easy Bluetooth control. Ideal for snorkeling, diving, or even just pool fun. What people say. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a fantastic action camera that captures stunning video and photos. Its improved image stabilization makes for incredibly smooth footage, even in rough conditions. The new larger sensor captures more of the scene, providing a wider field of view and better low-light performance. Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. Introducing the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the ultimate action camera designed for your most adventurous moments. It's built to capture everything with stunning clarity and advanced features. Shoot incredible video in up to 5K resolution. This ensures you maintain amazing detail, even when you zoom in on your footage. Capture crisp, professional quality photos with 20MP clarity. Its Super Photo feature automatically applies the best image processing for you, making every shot perfect. Easily frame your shots and control the camera with its new, larger rear touchscreen and a brilliant front display. Zoom is now more intuitive than ever. Broadcast your adventures live in 1080p to social media. Enjoy our most advanced video stabilization, HyperSmooth, for incredibly smooth footage even while you broadcast. Experience unparalleled smoothness with HyperSmooth 3.0, our most advanced stabilization yet. Plus, record mesmerizing time-lapse scenes as you move with Time Warp 3.0. This camera is built tough and waterproof down to 33 feet right out of the box. It's ready to capture your experiences in the most extreme conditions imaginable. What we like. This option is for the content creator who wants versatility and top-tier performance. It excels at shooting high-resolution 5K video, offers smooth live streaming capabilities, and boasts incredible stabilization. If you're serious about vlogging, streaming, or capturing action in any condition, this camera is built for you. What people say. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a fantastic action camera with excellent video quality. It features a new larger sensor that captures more of the scene, offering a wider field of view. The HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization is incredibly smooth, making shaky footage a thing of the past. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.